Hi, my name is Punjagutta. I am from Srikakulam. I graduated with bachelor's degree in computer science engineering. After completion of my graduation, I joined Jspiders Punjagutta in the month of March 2024. After joining here, I completed my core Java, advanced Java, SQL, and web technologies. Core Java is trained by Kaushik sir and Vivek sir. SQL by Karishma ma'am, Web Technology by Ningra sir, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir. They teach us very well, and grooming sessions also conducted by our trainers. Our Prem sir and Kaushik sir trained us in the grooming sessions, and the aptitude grooming session also very helpful for us. After joining here, I attended the three interviews, and finally I got placed in the Winfo Solutions, which is I appeared in the third time. In the Winfo Solutions, they conducted 4 rounds. I got